Every year, the town held the lantern race, a nighttime dash with homemade glowing lanterns. This year, best friends Alfie, Allison, and Amina decided to race together. Allison built a wind-powered lantern. Alfie made one from recycled bottles. Amina designed a mirrored light. "Let's win!" they shouted with excitement. On race night, stars winked and lanterns shimmered, but halfway through, Allison's wind catcher broke. "Go without me," Allison sighed. "No way," replied Alfie. "We can fix it." Amina gave her a spare part. Alfie tied it with his shoelace. They lost time but not hope. "Let's light each other's path," Allison said, raising her repaired lantern. The crowd cheered as they entered last, but glowing together. "You didn't win," someone said. Alfie smiled and responded, "We did. We didn't lose each other." Later, the judge announced a new award, Brightest Team Spirit. It was for those who raced with heart, not speed. Amina shouted with excitement, "That's us!" They taught others to build lanterns from scraps. "Even broken lights can shine," Allison said. Soon, every kid had a lantern, even those who couldn't afford one before. Next year, the race rule changed. Teams must finish together. The town called it the Lantern of Unity Tradition, thanks to 3 glowing kids. The friends kept racing, never to win first, but to win together. And together, they always did. So kids, always remember that true light shines brightest when we lift each other along the way.